Welcome to Wildernet channel. Please, like and subscribe. Press the notification bell to be notified about our latest updates. Today, we'll be looking at some strange looking trees around the world. The first on our menu is Crooked Forest of Gryfino. In a remote forest located near the town of Gryfino, West Poland, are 400 oddly shaped trees thought to have been carved from mechanical intervention. Many have speculated that they would have been used for bentwood furniture or even ribs for boat hulls. Next on the menu is Bottle Tree. Located in Namibia and described as one of the deadliest trees on Earth, the bottle tree gathers its name from an obvious appearance but is not to be underestimated. The milky sap that can be gathered from the tree is extremely poisonous and was used as an arrow poison by Bushmen in the past. Flowers that blossom from the tree are pink and white colors, with a red center. Ceiba pendandra, kapok tree. Stinky flowers, but that's okay. The bats that pollinate them seem to love it. A ginormous tree so well armed with thorns that even monkeys take a second look before attempting to climb. Boab prison tree. Outside the town of West Derby in Western Australia, there sits a large boab tree that has been cut into a small holding cell. The tree was used as a temporary holding destination for prisoners overnight before they were taken to their destination. Dating back over 1,500 years, the boab prison tree attracts thousands of tourists, many of whom can't resist to look around inside. Rainbow eucalyptus. Native to the Philippines, this tree boasts an almost psychedelic exterior thanks to its multicolored layers of bark. The irregular pattern in which it shades its bark means that the different stages and colors of its exposure are on display, from green, blue, purple, orange, and brown. Silk cotton tree. Draped over the ancient Darprom temples of Cambodia, the branches of the silk cotton trees were allowed to grow over centuries to create a wonderful natural masterpiece. Dragon's blood tree. In the Canary Islands of Northwest Africa, a type of tree holds a mysterious and legendary past. Standing 50 feet tall, the impressive dragon's blood tree gets its name from the red sap that can be obtained from the bark once cut. It is used in dye and medicine. Wollemi pine tree. Having only been discovered in 1994, the Wollemi pine tree species in the Blue Mountains of Sydney, Australia, dates back over 200 million years. Experts are convinced that this plant would have lived amongst dinosaurs and is considered a living fossil. Wona tree. Yosemite National Park in Mariposa, USA, was once home to an incredible tree structure that was converted into a tunnel. Technically a coast redwood tree, the 227 feet tall spectacular was given the name Wona because the Native Americans decided to name it after the hoot of an owl, known as a spirit guardian in their culture. Unfortunately, the tree fell in 1969 due to heavy snow that gathered on the top, but it has become an ecosystem for animals, plants, and insects and is now known as the fallen tunnel tree. Tree of Life. One of the most mysterious trees in the world is located in the desert outskirts of Bahrain and is simply known as the Tree of Life. The precipice in an area has intense root systems, which allow it to survive, but its remote location makes it something of a mystery as to how it gathers water. Missaria cauliflora or jabuticaba. It is an unusual fruit tree native to Brazil. The fruit of the tree grows all over the trunk, and not just in the branches, making it look like the tree is extruding oily tears. Finally, the Sunland boab tree, standing at a whopping 72 feet high and 155 feet in circumference. The Sunland boab tree, located in Modjadjiskloof, South Africa, is simply one of the most impressive trees in the world. Naturally hollow inside, a small bar was set up inside the tree in 1933 which initially held up to 15 to 20 but now can host up to 60 people. The tallest and widest boab in South Africa. The tree dates back over 6,000 years. Thanks for listening and watching.